Hello, kia ora, welcome to Molly Makes. Today we are going to be making mini bows. Okay, now what you're going to need is a hot glue gun, a key ring with a chain and a little link at the end, just a little piece of ribbon, any colour you like. I've got two pieces of ribbon, they are both 5 inches long and 1 inch wide, and a cable tie. You can make these without cable ties. If you don't have any, you'll just need a longer piece of ribbon for the centre to hold it together. So instead of this little piece, you will need a longer piece, probably about 5 inches, just to tie it all together. But I prefer to use cable tie, so that's what we're going to use today. Now we're going to start off by turning the ribbons over. Put hot glue in the centre of one. And fold the ribbon over to the centre, and then fold the other side over. Then with this one, we're going to put hot glue in the centre again, and we're going to put this on top of there, but we want it this way up, so the bit that we've just glued is going to go down. And then we're going to turn this over and put some hot glue on this side. In the middle again, fold them over to the middle. Now while the glue is still warm, we need to do the next bit, otherwise it's really hard once the glue's set. So we get the cable tie, put it through the middle. Get your key ring, put your key ring on there. Now before you pull the cable tie tight and seal it, you need to make sure the key ring's at the top and this plastic bit is at the back. You don't want that at the front. And then pull it tight before that glue sets. And then cut that bit off. And turn it over. And then we just want to cover up this little plastic cable tie bit, so that's what this is for. So we need to just poke it through that little hole. Yay, finally. Put it around. This is really hard and fidgety. Glue that down. Now the last thing to do is just to cut these bits. So you cut them like that. And there is our ribbon. Thanks for watching. Please just let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to see me make. Thanks, bye.